Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this makeup look, trying out a new product that I found at Walmart. So the brand is called Prideful, and it is something unique I've never seen at Walmart. I feel like they are a newer brand. I found their Instagram page, a very inclusive makeup company with a lot of fun products to try out, very affordable. So I was so excited to find them at Walmart, and I wanted to try them out for you guys and see how they performed. I created this makeup look with the products that I got. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look and how Prideful performs, then just keep watching. All right, let's get into trying out the eyeshadow palette and one of the brushes that I picked up from Walmart and the brand Prideful. I wonder if this is like a little, ow. Might have to cut it. All right, got it cut open, so we will try out the shadow brush. So our expertly sheared brush tips absorb the perfect amount of eyeshadow and lays down a wet or dry application. Perfect placement is easy, great for our deep set eyes. The natural gliding strokes for the accurate eyeshadow application. This cruelty-free brush is made with 100% animal-free synthetic bristles. So they have some more brushes. This is the one that I picked up. Feels nice in the hand. I will definitely try out some more if I like these and try out some different brushes. So they had foundations and concealers too. I think they had some blushes possibly. I'll definitely try out more from the brand if I am vibing the product, but I love the packaging. Really pretty. All-inclusive brand, so that's really cool. Cool to see it at Walmart. It's fun to see something different, very affordable, so that is also a bonus. So this is the Eye Candy palette. They had other shades too. I wanted to go with this green colored palette. I really wanted to try out a green look with my copper hair because I think that would be, my goodness, they're packaged very well. I think that would be fun. Packaged very well. Okay, so we have that nice plastic container on the outside of the palette, and then it has like an ombre palette that it sits in. All right, let's get into this. Enough of the chatter. So we have some neutral colors, and then we have a nice yellow golden color and all different tones of green. So let's get into this. I think I'm going to start off with the nice matte brown. So let's see if this brush applies it perfectly like it said. So we'll start in the crease and like just hitting that brow bone. Very light. The brush is very light in the hand, which is nice because like if you're trying to be precise, sometimes if a brush has weight to it, it gets in the way. It's a problem. Okay, so far that blended very beautifully. Look at that. I'm just going to keep kind of packing it in the corner. And just sticking to the outer corner of the eye with this brown. So far, love this brush. And look, it doesn't really have too much of the product on the brush afterwards, which is cool. Like it's just putting it all on the eye and blend it out very nicely. So definitely enjoying the brush. All right, let's go into this deep green color. And we're gonna really just stick to the outer corner of the lid. Wow, that's pigmented. Pigmented, pigmented. Very pigmented. Holy smokes, loving these mattes in this palette so far. Blending out so nicely. And that brush, I need another one. I need another one of those brushes. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in to this shimmery green tone and just kind of like a dome brush. I don't want to bring in too much pigment or shimmer. I just want to create a green look, and I'm not needing it to be really foiled or glittery looking. So I just want the tone of this green color more than the glitter. Who, hands up if you listened to the new Taylor Swift album this weekend and that is all you did? All I did. I didn't watch any videos, any YouTube videos. I just lived in Taylor Swift's land. And it was amazing. I loved it. So I'm just going to continue with this eyeshadow all along the lid. All right, now I'm going to go into the lighter green beside it, and I am going to take a flat brush because I do want to pick up more of the shimmer from this one. And I'm going to place that in the middle of my lid. Middle, but like expanded a little bit. Because we're going to go in with an even lighter color right in the center. So we're just kind of layering tones right now. Just lightening up the green colors that are already there, but just keeping the depth around the edges. Now I'm going to go in with this light tone and a fluffy brush. This is from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. It is a JH35. And I'm just going to kind of blend that along lightly along the brow bone. So I'm just smoothing out the brown, but also kind of bringing it in to the crease. I just want a little bit of it. So I'm just going to kind of mix it a bit, tapped into the brown. And I'm just going to kind of mix it a little bit. Don't want a real saturation of it. I just want to tie it into under my brows and down my nose. And this is just going to add extra smoothness to the matte color. Around the edges, kind of just blur out the edges. All right, now I am going to take my finger and this kind of It's got like some light green, grayish tones to it, so, and a little bit of beige. I'm going to pop that right in the center to really bring the light in there. Give us that halo look. Now I'm going to go in with an angled brush and the gold yellow shimmery foiled color. And I'm going to go in under the lower lash. On the inner corner, and then I might take some of that lighter green and go on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH40 and go into this lighter tone. Again, it has some little flicks. It looks matte, but there are some little tiny like flicks of iridescence in it. And I'm just going to go on the inner corner. Just kind of brighten this inner corner area up a bit and kind of smooth out any imperfections. Can go along the outer lash line, outer part of the eye, and that just cleans up anything there. And now I'm going to take another angled brush and go into this deep, almost black green tone. And I'm going to put that along the lash line on the outer corner. Okay, so pretty much the only color we didn't try out was this bluish turquoise green, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Let's see what that looks like. Super pretty. That would be really pretty if you are going to be a mermaid for Halloween. That is gorgeous foiled color. I will definitely try that out in another eye look. All right, this is the finished eye look. I just applied a little bit of eyeliner, I tightline, and then put on some mascara, and I'm really, really happy with how it came out. The product worked beautifully. I cannot complain about the performance of the product. I got little to no fallout, and the shadows blended really well, and I think it looks super pretty with the ginger hair. I'm vibing it. So let's try out the lip gloss. Right, so this is their lip product called Lip Service Full Color Lip Gloss Wand, and it is in the shade Henderson, so they all kind of have their own little unique names. The eyeshadow was Margot, so if you were looking for the green eyeshadow palette. That is what it's called. I don't want to really alter the tone of the lip gloss too much, so I just used a little bit of my Annabelle eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe just to give my lips a little bit of definition and go in to the Lip Service lip gloss. So it's a pretty big tube. It is this nice kind of pinky nude tone. So let's see how pigmented it is and how glossy it feels. I like these types of wands. Oh, okay, it's got pigment. It has pigment. It feels really nice, not sticky, almost like a lip oil. Does it have a tingler in it? I don't think so. Feels a little mentholy, but not. Let's see. So no, I don't think it is one of those lip glosses that plumps up the lips, although I feel a slight bit of mentholy, but it feels really hydrating on the lips. I love the tone. I think this would look really pretty over any kind of nude lipstick, but I also love that it just has enough pigment just to brighten up my own natural lip tone as well, and it paired really nicely with the lip liner. All right, so I just went over my lips a little bit with my favorite lip liner, which is the Wet n Wild Bare to Comment lip liner. I use this every day, all the time. So this is the final look. Very impressed with these products. Impressed with the quality, the affordability, the uniqueness. I really love the way the makeup look came out. So I will definitely link their website if you guys want to check them out for yourselves. I am definitely going to be trying out more of their products. I can't wait to show you guys some more looks with more of their products. Maybe get a different eyeshadow palette, try out their foundation or any kind of bronzers or blushes, other lip glosses. So excited to try out more from Prideful. The makeup look turned out beautifully. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.